Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Crypto Salin. Today I will share with you about a new brilliant project named as Crypto Avin. I will share their detail in this video. So stay tuned and watch full video. But before that, if you are new on my channel, don't forget to subscribe to my channel name as Crypto Salin. Press the bell icon so you will get a notification of my new videos in the future. I will share most of the projects who are basically innovative. From that project you will be able to get profit, so must go and subscribe to my channel. So today my topic is about the Crypto Avin. I will share their details. They have the good news today for the dollar Crypto Avin. You can easily be able to buy Crypto Avin. If you buy it now, it is a good opportunity for you. You will be able to sell it in the future and you will be able to get the profit from it too. I will share their Twitter, their Telegram at that time, and I will share their group too. You can easily be able to get more notification, more news about them from their Telegram group. And if you have any query, you may comment below my video. And also basically you can contact me on the Telegram, and you can also be able to contact them on the Telegram Twitter, so that you can contact their original team. And their team are working hard for the success for going to moon dollar Crypto Avin. You can see it here, their Gamium World profile. So their profile is given. I will share that profile with you too. Great advances are coming, so they are coming up. So you can see their price is going up and up. You can see it here at May 17 they started, and that time in that you can see they have 2000 basically here 20,606%. They have chances to go up as it is in the green market, and their price at that time is just 0.001581, but it will go above within the percentage of 206. You can see it here, it is going on, and you can get more on it. You can go and see it. I will recommend it to you. So further I will share with you about the Crypto Avin, and it is, see, this profile is given here. You can see it here, the price is now at 0.001883. It is 264.55% going up, and it is showing the green. You can see their chart. They have the supporters. It is launched by Binance Smart Chain, dollar Crypto Avin. You can see Bitcoin, they're different given here. The contract address is given, which is on the BNB, means Binance Smart Chain. You have to copy it and add it in your wallet. You can easily be able to buy dollar Crypto Avin from here too. I will give this link in my description, in my video description. You can easily be able to buy it. Here is a Coinbase wallet. You can first of all connect it with your wallet like Coinbase, MetaMask, Wallet Connect. It's up to you that which wallet you are using. You have to connect it with your wallet, and after the connection you can easily be able to buy it. You can visit their supporters. You can also support them. Here they have the supporters, which is given here. All are the professional one, and you can see them on the Twitter too. I will share their Twitter. You can see Crypto Avin, which is given here. Their logo is given, and you can see their details is given. They have approximately 42.5k community followers. Here you can see their good news about that, and it is going up on and on. You can see they have different basically given here their listing in the top 6 meme coins, which is given here. You can see it here. They have the after dollar Dodge here, Shib, Pappy, Bonk, and Flocky. Now it's time for the 100x meme coin in the next bull run, which is Crypto Avin. You can see, as you know about the dollar Dodge, it's gone for here the percentage which is given above. You can see it here, it is gone for that one, and dollar ship is gone for that one. But now it's time for 2024, which will be Crypto Avin. You can see, as you can be able soon to see it here. And in 2020 dollar Dodge goes up, in 2021 Shiba goes up, in 2022 Pappy is following, and Bonk too. But now at that time in 2024, it's time for the Crypto Avin. You can see it will go for the 100x. It will go for Pitbull coin, and you can see that too they have different, it is shown here 100x, and it is going soon as it is in the green market, you can see. So further I will share with you about their Telegram. You can easily be able to join them on the Telegram. I share with you about the Telegram. Here you can see they have different news which is given here, you can see it here. And now further they have the new listing on the Coinbase. They have given their details, they will go for the listing, their price is going up, their all details is given in this group, you can see it here. They have given all the details. They are also joining for different Twitter too. They are giving news on Telegrams too. I will give this group link in my video description so you can easily be a part of this group. And they have given about the Twitter, they have given details about their Telegram. They are going up, it is going for the 100x, it is going to moon. You can easily be a part of their community and you can make money on it too. So Yacht character with the crypto, you can see it here. So I share with you about the all details about this crypto Aven. I will recommend you to go and do your own research before investing in it. It is a good opportunity for all of you and you can make money in it as its price is going up, and after increasing you can be able to sell it and make money on it. So if you like my video, give thumbs up, must subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching.